are planting. You are planting which plant, Joy? What is the name of that plant? Yes. So how are we gonna plant? We have soil, we have water, we have food plant and a pot. This is a waste. So we propagate this, a potho in a water, and we got lot of roots. See? So now we're gonna put it in the soil. So we have organic soil, which is very much important. Right, Jay?
Yes.
So we have this pot which has already holes down there to help the extra water get out of it. Right, Jay?
Yes.
Let's put the food in there. Yes, put it here. Yes, put it down, all the way down, like this.
Yeah.
Yes, and then lightly just put the soil on it. Yes, now put some water.
Water.
So we are all set. What happened? Plant sleeping?